Sit. Come on in. Come on in. Heat it up a little bit. Hey. Good. Right here. We'll lock up because I think after the lockup is when he can do these stupid two, right? Whenever you're ready.
When I'm in the pictures, he does it.
Good. Just slipping. We'll talk for a second. Good. That wasn't bad at all. So you worked with me enough, Alex. You know. It's a stand right there. Good. Good. Right here. Lead in. Whatever you like. Okay, there you go. Good. Just escape a little bit. Come driving right back over here. Jen, stand. You're going to drive him right next to Jen. So. Out. Over here.
Good boy.
I'll let him bring it right back to you. Facing it. Good, that's fine. Good, stay right there. She's going to come in on this one. House. Ready. Sitting.
Sit.
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 Okay.
Good boy.
Good. We'll just slip for a second. Like Mr. Red Button, huh?
It don't hurt your ears.
Right. Stay right here. That's up. Hey. Right here. Good. A little escape. Come right back into a driving right back over here. Stick. Stick. Lock up.